So I'm about halfway on my walk to the boat ramps. You can see that the campground is there. There's actually two campgrounds here, but I like that one called Madsen because it's got lots of room and full utilities. Hopefully I will make it over to the other campground, which is way down there. But it's old, so everything is super smashed together, and I don't even think my rig could handle it, my little teeny tiny rig. So anyway, it's long and skinny, as is often the case with Utah reservoirs, but it's just quiet and absolutely lovely up here. Okay, so I've gone across the hill and continuing on this way. That's like a private neighborhood. I walked it last time. I don't know if I will this time. Now, I don't know if you can tell, because you always lose perception, but this is actually very steep. And down there is where the boat ramp is. And if I were to do paddleboarding, that's pretty much where I'd have to get in, just because it's so steep around the rest of the park area. Now, can you see the houses up on the ridge? That's actually looks like a nice gated community. Over on this ridge is, I think it said it was a Boy Scout camp or something up there. And both of those areas are gated off. I may go back in there and kind of show you some of the things I have found. But it's nice and peaceful and quiet here. Yeah, I've walked a little on the road. The ramp is kind of around that. This is the road that I think takes you to the campground, what I call the Boy Scout campground, even though they've kind of gone out of business. But there's a gate right there, so I don't dare, mess with that. And then the other thing that's up here is this place called Aspen Cove, not Aspen Grove, Aspen Cove. It's actually quite busy today. I see lots of people coming in and out, but it is a true gated community. It says it's got, all the utilities laid. It says it's got tennis and basketball courts up there somewhere. I'm not sure where. And so that's kind of nice. If you wanted to kind of be close to the area, but yet, I'm not sure how far out. I don't have my glasses on, so we'll just assume that's it. But you can see they're starting to actually do quite a bit of building up there. I think that would be a nice view. Passing me is a guy with a fishing boat. This is a popular fishing location. And then I'm going to take you over up this road, because I can't, that one, oops, where's my finger? There. There's a gate, a locked, coded gate right there. So I'm not going to take you that way. But what I discovered is this area right here, I don't know what happened. They were starting to clearly build a campground. There's roads and there's numbering and those little, kind of barbecue grill things. Looks like it had been a lovely campground, but it's fallen into some pretty severe disrepair. So I don't know if they ran out of money or what happened. I'll walk up there next. So I discovered this yesterday. So for reference, you can see there through, that's the water. This mountain that you're seeing up here, my campground is kind of on the other side. When I was walking the road, if I remember, I'll take a picture of that side. It's very steep and cut. But up here, there is what was going to be, I think, a very lovely terraced campground. You can see some of the numbers. You can see the, the little, wait, where am I? Sorry. You can see the little barbecue grills, I think. Let me zoom in. I don't have my glasses on because I'm outside, but hopefully I'm pointing in the right area. Yeah, you see that little, you know, they've got the little barbecue grills, and it's terraced such that, you know, there's some up here, you know, there's a level, this level that I'm on right here, and then 2 more levels down, and then on the back side there's an access road that kind of hits all of the angles. But it just looks like this would be lovely. But I guess they either ran out of money or changed their mind or something. But it's all just overgrown and decaying. I saw some bicyclers, and I thought maybe they were from up here, and asked them, and they said they're not from here, and they had no idea either. But see, there's a bathroom right there that looks like the state park's bathroom style. And they said there's, quote, a campground back here, but I'm not exactly sure what they mean. This area is gated off, and I can see there's some things going on back there. But anyway, you can see that. Where's that sign? I can't see anything because it's right behind me, but you know, you've got a bunch of campsites there. So obviously 100% off-grid, but you know, if you're a tent person, I think this would actually be a really neat place. So I'm interested to check it out next year and see if they do something with it. You know, is it state park? Is it private? Because you know, everything over here is private. So maybe it's actually just private. I'm not sure. Okay, here I am on the backside, headed back. You can see the campground over there. Remember when I was over in that other abandoned campground, I was talking about the backside of it being this road, but that it's a very, you know, I don't know if you can tell, but that's not climbable unless you're a spider, right? And so that's kind of the backside. But I still think it'd be a fun campground. The other thing I was going to talk about as I'm walking is, you notice you see me walking on a lot of these. Hold on.